Can you just... And on the website, it still says that, oh God. Yeah. You see? Getting for Christmas?
No, you know what? You look really familiar to me. Don't you think
It's on the nice list.
I'm on the
Nice list. In the future, I see.
When the keys is albino, now knock on my door when my stars is albino. I've been fishing for a minute. Only I know that a pawn is a trade and a rookie for a castle like tuition for a final. Playing hooky for a tassel, spend a minute on a minor. Winds on my window. Ash on my skin when the record low, temps feel the wind blow. Only ride rhythm to the tardiest of tempos. Only ride shotgun when the car is a limo. Yeah, see? I crowd surf in a cipher. Scuba in my shower, take a Uber to my neighbors. Used to pay the piper till Peter picked it better. Now the first thing you should tell us where the hell is all the paper. But memories keep coming back. All the nights that we used to laugh. Wanna know how I used to was, how I used to was. Memories keep playing back. All the nights we used to love. Just wonder how I used to was, how I used to was. Memories keep playing back. All the nights we used to love. Just wonder how I used to was, how I used to was. Memories keep playing back. All the nights we used to love. Just wonder how I used to was.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Phoenix B and I'm back with yet another video. Guys, I am tired. Okay, that's the first. The second thing is my house looks atrocious. Okay, and so do I just came back from my boyfriend's house, and then yesterday we had gone to the markets, the one in Benoni. Hey guys, the way I have been going to markets, it surprises me how markets have been a thing for me lately. Today literally I get a call and I'm just relaxing at my boyfriend's place and I get a call. I left clothes in his car, like wet clothes in his car, because I woke up and I washed a little bit. Oh Jesu, and he's going to work. Nina, it's like every time I'm with him I forget something. Anyways, so baby, I left wet clothes in your car, Tabanga. I think you can say that. We have the time. Okay, one. Anyways, as you guys can tell at the back, I got myself a table. Can y'all see?
Rashid W Business Audio.
Sorry guys, so I got my order delivered. first of all, I got my table, which I'm very excited about now, but I'm gonna do an unboxing of these two that I'm so excited about. Okay, this one I can't do an unboxing because I don't want to show you guys, period. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this one. Yo, Nina, yo, guys, I am so happy to be unboxing this. Literally, like, you guys don't even understand. But this unboxing is probably one of my most exciting unboxings. Yeah. I'm gonna start crying, guys. Read, Carrol. What? I got these Carrol boys mugs, 2 sets, and I'm absolutely happy. Guys, I know I look like crazy, man. It's because I actually slept with this wig on. Because we got so mobbed last night. We got so mobbed last night, Nina. Wow. Oh wow. I'm on my Lux Girl era, period. Oh, these are so cute. And they have the brand underneath, Carrol Boys. Yo! I did that, period. I did that. You know what, actually I'm thinking, let me also unbox the table because it is something, it's giving me like a bit of anxiety. I want to see what's inside. I'm and I cut myself again. Can you just imagine? Okay, y'all, so it came with, okay, first of all, I ordered a gold table, and this is black clearly, you know, so that puts me in a bit of a tough situation because I'm just like, I don't want to return it because I've been waiting for the study table, you know. But the fact that right now it's not gold, it's black. Ugh, there's no network. Ugh, yeah, but Yazin, it's fine. I can work with this black one. Yeah, so this is, I'm assuming these are the screws. I think I'm very good with things like assembling and stuff, so hopefully I can. Guys, this table is missing. It's missing. On the website it had something underneath, and on here it doesn't have. You know what, let me assemble the table and then see what it's giving me. If it's like whack, then I can't continue. I'm gonna have to send it back, and if it does assemble and I like it, then I'm gonna leave it because it's definitely not what I ordered. I'm actually very annoyed at Takealot right now because first of all, it took days. Like, why would it take days if you're not even gonna give me what I ordered? You understand? Batty, oops, it looks like this product is no longer available. What I ordered, guys, if you guys can see, do you guys see this? Okay, don't mind my nails. Do you guys see the table I ordered? Nine. Do you see it has gold legs and then it has like a little compartment space? Look at this. When I go to it now, look, the lighting is really bad, but it says, oops, it looks like this product is no longer available. So how do you even return something that you might not even get back? Anyways guys, I have been okay. As far as the challenge goes, I have somewhat cheated again. Like, I think it's what I said last time when I said, like, you start with one thing and then it's like a domino effect basically. I'm not proud of myself and I feel like I'm just falling off, and I didn't go to gym the whole week this week because I was extremely fatigued. I think it's year-end fatigue or whatever. So yeah guys, let me just go and do what I need to. I didn't have these the screwdrivers and stuff, so I went and I borrowed it downstairs, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I have not taken a shower yet, but like I said, I'm gonna clean this house first before I do that. It's a bit disgusting, yeah, but gotta do what I gotta do. So I had to go and borrow all this. I mean, he gave me a little bit too much, but I guess it's gonna come in handy. So let's go. So we need a star. Okay, so number one, we're gonna take this part and this part, right? So there you have it. It's not what I ordered, but it is alright, I guess. It's very high, hey? So yeah, let me clean this mess and I'll catch in with you guys later. Alright guys, so I have to figure out if I want it here, you see, or I want it here and not like that, to create space for when I want my perfumes. So I don't know, you guys tell me what y'all think. And majority rule, it's quite big, it's just that the lighting is bad. I can't show you guys. This is definitely not what I ordered, but I'm not gonna take it back, you know. I'll just leave it. I like the fact that it's high enough for my table to fit, you see. So yeah guys,
Yeah. I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I won't make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? When I'm off day, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, free like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the help. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that.
I'm sorry to say that.
Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? What is it for this girl? What is love?
What's that?
What is love? The girl we see ain't what it seems for this girl.
wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah. You know it's on.
Hey guys, it's a little bit later.
I don't wanna say no. You break it down.
I'm in my office. Guys, I ended up putting it this way. I don't know. Time will tell if I like this. And I'm currently editing this vlog. Can you guys see? I just wanted to say that this table is very firm and I didn't like it. I wanted a white to complement all this, but clearly, you know, I didn't get the table that I wanted. And on the website it still says that, oh god, it's gonna rain really hard. This table is currently out of stock, so clearly I'm not gonna be getting this one even if I cancel. So tomorrow I want to go to church, guys. There's this church called Hope Hill around here, because I can't go to the church that I used to go to. It's a bit far from me now, so I want to go to church. Also, I wanted to show you guys this thing. So if you're not new to this channel, you know that I've used Rain for a very long time. I have been with Rain for probably plus minus 5 to 6 years. Yeah, so they gave me additional SIM cards to the one that I already use, so I don't have use for those SIM cards because I already have unlimited data. So I didn't know what to do with it. At first I wanted to give it away because that's lifetime connection. So long as I'm using Rain, you will also be connected, you understand? And then I thought, because I have nothing to give it away for, because obviously I'm not at 1,000 subscribers yet, and that's probably going to take a while. So I think I'm gonna give it to a friend of mine who probably needs the data, because I already have the data, you know what I'm saying? She can add to whatever data that she's currently using because she constantly has to buy. So yeah, you see guys, because you're not telling your friends and your boyfriends and everyone around you to subscribe, you're missing out on unlimited data from me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, get with the program, sis. Get the subscribers, guys. Share the video, like the video, comment on the video, please, I beg. But yeah, you missed out because this has been, they give me 2 SIM cards, so I gave one to my brother, and then I had given him 2, and then he was just, I don't know, like he lost the other one, so I had to order another one, and then now I'm gonna give it away to my friend. Yeah guys, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at phoenixbeach2_. You know, this is starting to sound like a chant, but it's actually not a chant, okay? It's me telling you guys, please follow me on Instagram, please subscribe to the channel, don't just watch only. Oh yeah, period. See you guys tomorrow when I go to church.